Hello everyone. Welcome to Home English Network. If you want to speak English confidently in your daily life, you are in the right place. In today's lesson, you will listen to simple English conversations that people use every day. These conversations are easy, natural, and perfect for beginners. Here's how to practice. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat each sentence aloud. Finally, practice every day. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. The more you listen, the better your English will become. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Conversation 1 saying good morning. Ali. Good morning. Sarah. Good morning. How are you today? Ali. I'm fine, thank you. How about you, Sarah? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Ali. Did you sleep well last night? Sarah. Yes, I slept very well. What about you, Ali? I slept well too. I feel fresh today. Sarah. That's wonderful. Ali. Have a great day. Sarah. Thank you. You too. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I slept well. Have a great day. Conversation 2 getting ready. Mother. Good morning, Ali. Wake up, Ali. Good morning, Mom. Mother. It's 7 o'clock. Ali. Oh, I need to get ready. Mother. First, brush your teeth. Ali. Okay, Mother. Then wash your face. Ali. Sure, Mother. Don't forget to make your bed. Ali. I won't forget. Mother. Very good. Repeat. Wake up. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Make your bed. I'm getting ready. Conversation 3 breakfast time. Father. Good morning, everyone. Ali. Good morning, Dad. Father. Are you hungry? Ali. Yes, I'm very hungry. Father. What would you like for breakfast? Ali. I'd like eggs, bread, and tea. Father. Sounds good. Ali. Thank you. Father. Eat slowly and enjoy your meal. Ali. I will. Repeat. I'm hungry. I'd like eggs. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. Conversation 4 leaving home. Mother. Are you ready? Ali. Yes, I'm ready. Mother. Do you have your bag? Ali. Yes. Mother. Do you have your phone? Ali. Yes. Mother. Be careful on your way. Ali. Don't worry. Mother. Have a nice day. Ali. Thank you. See you later. Repeat. I'm ready. Be careful. See you later. Have a nice day. Conversation 5 meeting a friend. Ahmed. Hi, Ali. Ali. Hi, Ahmed. Ahmed. How's everything? Ali. Everything is great. Ahmed. Where are you going? Ali. I'm going to college. Ahmed. Can I come with you? Ali. Of course. Ahmed. Let's go. Ali. Let's go. Repeat. Hi, how's everything? I'm going to college. Let's go. Vocabulary practice. Morning. Breakfast. Hungry. Ready. Friend. College. Family. Tea. Eggs. Bread. Listening practice. Listen carefully and repeat. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm hungry. I'm ready. Let's go. Have a nice day. See you later. Practice these sentences every day. When you repeat them many times, they become natural, and speaking English becomes much easier. Conversation 6 at school. Teacher. Good morning, class. Students. Good morning, teacher. Teacher. How is everyone today? Students. We are fine. Thank you. Teacher. Please open your books. Ali. Which page, teacher? Teacher. Please open page 20. Ali. Okay, teacher. Teacher. Today we will learn English conversation. Students. Great, teacher. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Students. Yes, teacher. Repeat after me. Good morning, teacher. Please open your books. Which page? Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Conversation 7 talking to a classmate. Sarah. Hi, Ali. Ali. Hi, Sarah. Sarah. Did you finish your homework? Ali. Yes, I finished it last night. Sarah. Can you help me? Ali. Of course. Sarah. Thank you very much. Ali. You're welcome. Sarah. Let's study together. After class. Ali. That's a great idea. Repeat after me. Did you finish your homework? Can you help me? Of course. You're welcome. Let's study together. Conversation 8 at the supermarket. Shopkeeper. Hello, can I help you? Sarah. Yes, please. Shopkeeper. What do you need? Sarah. I need some milk, bread, eggs, and rice. Shopkeeper. Anything else? Sarah. Yes, I'd like some apples too. Shopkeeper. Here you are. Sarah. How much is it? Shopkeeper. The total is 1,200 rupees. Sarah. Here is the money. Shopkeeper. Thank you. Sarah. Thank you. Have a nice day. Repeat after me. Can I help you? I need some milk. Anything else? How much is it? Thank you. Have a nice day. Dash dash dash. Conversation 9 asking for directions. Ali. Excuse me. Man. Yes. Ali. Where is the nearest bank? Man. Go straight ahead. Ali. Okay. Man. Then turn left at the traffic light. Ali. Is it far? Man. Number. It's only 5 minutes away. Ali. Thank you for your help. Man. You're welcome. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Where is the nearest bank? Go straight. Turn left. Thank you for your help. Dash dash dash. Conversation 10 at a coffee shop. Waiter. Welcome. Ali. Thank you. Waiter. What would you like to order? Ali. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Waiter. Would you like anything to eat? Ali. Yes, I'd like a sandwich. Waiter. Anything else? Ali. No, that's all. Waiter. Your order will be ready soon. Ali. Thank you. Repeat after me. I'd like a cup of coffee. I'd like a sandwich. Anything else? That's all. Thank you. Dash dash dash. Vocabulary practice. Homework. Classroom. Teacher. Student. Supermarket. Bank. Traffic light. Coffee. Sandwich. Order. Dash dash dash. Listening practice. Listen and repeat slowly. Can you help me? I finished my homework. How much is it? Where is the nearest bank? Go straight. Turn left. I'd like a cup of coffee. Anything else? That's all. Thank you very much. Dash dash dash. Practice tip. Repeat every conversation at least 3 times. The first time, just listen. The second time, speak with the speaker. The third time, speak without looking at the text. This simple habit will improve your English speaking and listening skills much faster. Dash dash dash. Conversation 11 at work. Manager. Good morning, Ali. Ali. Good morning, sir. Manager. How are you today? Ali. I'm doing well, thank you. Manager. Are you ready for today's work? Ali. Yes, I am. Manager. Please finish this report before lunch. Ali. Certainly. I'll start right away. Manager. Excellent. Let me know if you need any help. Ali. Thank you. I appreciate it. Repeat after me. Good morning, sir. I'm doing well. I'm ready. I'll start right away. Thank you. Dash dash dash. Conversation 12 talking on the phone. Sarah. Hello, Ali. Hi, Sarah. How are you, Sarah? I'm fine. Thanks for calling. Ali. Are you free this evening? Sarah. Yes, I am. Ali. Would you like to practice English together? Sarah. That's a great idea. Ali. Let's meet at 6 o'clock. Sarah. Perfect. See you then. Ali. See you. Repeat after me. Hello. Thanks for calling. Are you free this evening? Let's meet at 6 o'clock. See you then. Dash dash dash. Conversation 13 at home. Mother. Welcome home. Ali. Thank you, Mom. Mother. How was your day? Ali. It was busy, but very good. Mother. Did you learn something new today? Ali. Yes, I learned many new English words. Mother. That's wonderful. Ali. I also practiced speaking English with my friends. Mother. Keep practicing every day. Ali. I will. Repeat after me. Welcome home. How was your day? I learned something new. Keep practicing. I will. Dash dash dash. Conversation 14 evening walk. Ahmed. The weather is nice today. Ali. Yes, it's beautiful. Ahmed. Do you walk here every evening? Ali. Yes, I do. Ahmed. Walking is good for your health. Ali. I agree. Ahmed. What do you usually think about while walking? Ali. I think about my goals and my future. Ahmed. That's inspiring. Ali. Thank you. Repeat after me. The weather is nice. Walking is good for your health. I agree. I think about my goals. Thank you. Dash dash dash. Conversation 15 before sleeping. Mother. It's getting late. Ali. Yes, I'll go to bed soon. Mother. Did you finish your homework? Ali. Yes, everything is finished. Mother. That's good. Ali. I'll read an English story before sleeping. Mother. Excellent idea. Ali. Good night, Mom. Mother. Good night. Sleep well. Repeat after me. It's getting late. I'll go to bed soon. Everything is finished. Good night. Sleep well. Daily vocabulary review. Morning, breakfast, homework, friend, teacher, student, family, office, report, phone, weather, evening, goals, practice, sleep, daily speaking practice. Repeat these sentences slowly. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well. I'm ready. Can you help me? I'd like a cup of coffee. Where is the nearest bank? Let's study together. How was your day? I learned something new today. Walking is good for your health. Keep practicing every day. Good night. Sleep well. Motivation for learners. Learning English takes time, but every small step brings you closer to your goal. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new. Practice English every day for at least 15 minutes. Listen carefully. Repeat confidently. Speak without fear. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Outro. Congratulations. You have completed today's English conversation practice. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Home English Network, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Practice these conversations every day, and your English speak in 0 grams skills will improve faster than you think. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day and keep learning English.